Most Wing Chun practitioners fail because they don't understand one simple thing. Tan Sau is not just a block, it's the foundation of your entire fighting structure. Welcome back. I'm Austin Goh, direct Yip-Man Lineage, a former royal bodyguard and Hollywood stuntman. For over 50 years, I've taught Wing Chun and trained hundreds of fighters around the world. Today, I'm going to show you the real importance of Tan Sau, the technique that almost everyone overlooks. Tan Sau is not a passive movement. It's your first line of defense, your structural shield, and your gateway into attack. Most people train Tan Sau with the wrong energy, too soft, too stiff, or completely disconnected from the body structure. But once you understand the true Tan Sau, the way my teachers passed down from Yip Man lineage, your Wing Chun becomes alive, reactive, and powerful. So let's break it down step by step. What Tan Sau really is, it's not a block, it's not a pose, a structure, deflection tool, a gateway to punch, palm, lap sau, and forward pressure. So why Tan Sau is a foundation? If you train the correct elbow position, build your defensive line, create the correct Tan energy, which is the expansion without tension, it teaches you to protect your center line automatically. So this is Tan Sau. My elbow is inside, and this is the center line. You see? So this protect my whole body. What is the three most common mistakes? Sometimes the elbow is too high, the wrist is too stiff, or just bent forward instead of supporting the line. So the correct Tan Sau energy is relax your forearm, elbow is alive, it can move, forward intention, but not bend forward or not even force. The structure is stronger than your muscles. You see, this is how you practice daily. So slow drill, turn and strike, turn and strike, turn and strike, turn out and moving forward. Okay? So turn out is simple, but only when you train it correctly, you will fix your structure, understand your elbow, and your whole Wing Chun will transform. Let's begin. Turn out, elbow is a punch away from your body. You can see that. And this is your center line. So let's practice that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a center line Tan Sau. 1. I will turn to the left 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will practice my Tan Sau block and punch. Tan Sau and punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 45 degrees. 1, 2. So Wu Sau to punch 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to center. Let's practice one more time. 1, Tan Sau forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay where you are. Hold for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. To improve your Tan Sau to another level, I will practice with the Chi Sau ring. So 1, 2, and this will help my elbow. You see? You will not make my elbow goes up and down, right? It will stay where you are. If you want to move to the next level, we will use you. If you want to move to the next level, use your Chi Sau ring. This will help to stable your elbow. It doesn't move up or down. You stay where you are. While you're in the Tan Sau position, always center in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tan Sau and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to center. And then Tan Sau again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay where we are. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will help you to build your resilience faster. And breathe into your nose. And breathe out through your nose. And slowly lower your hands. Let's practice without the Chi Sau ring. And you should start to feel your arms, your hand is lighter. 2, 3, 4, 5, and easier. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tan Sau and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, back to the middle. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe into your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Slowly lower your hand and shake yourself down. I remember when I was training with my teacher, so I was told to attack him with a front punch. And all he did was just Tan Sau and block. Okay? So I used to swing. Right? I swing. And he turned and do Tan Sau and block. Extend his arm. And I did an uppercut. And he do Tan Sau again. So he used the same Tan Sau technique to block my front punch, my hook, my uppercut. And I was very confused because normally when a hook, you can do a fuck Sau, uppercut, use a jump Sau. Okay, maybe a front punch is a Tan Sau. Eventually, I asked him, I said, Sifu, why you use Tan Sau to block all my attack? Only. He said, in a real fight situation, the less technique you need to use is better. Therefore, Tan Sau able to defend and attack at the same time in different variation of technique. All you have to do, if your hands is too short, extend your arms. If coming up close, bring back your elbow. The key thing is that in a real fight situation, if you have a good foundation in Tan Sau, it's not easy to break your center line. Therefore, you're well protected. I would suggest keep practicing this Tan Sau every day. And after 2 weeks, I'm very confident that your defense and attack will improve greatly. So if you want more secret review from the Yip Man lineage, subscribe and train with me every day. Remember, Wing Chun is a lifetime journey and the foundation is everything.